Welcome to our Intro to Rulerwork course. I'm Stephanie Soebbing. I love Rulerwork because it makes me look like a better quilter than I am. All you have to do is learn how to keep your ruler foot in contact with your ruler at all times, and you can create beautiful, consistent shapes throughout your quilt. In this course, we will cover creating straight lines, curves, circles, arches, and waves using rulers. We'll start simple and then show you how to customize the look of each design by using the ruler in different ways. Each segment will end with a show and tell to show you how I've used the rulers on real quilts to create stunning designs. Each lesson will be demonstrated on both the long arm and domestic sewing machine, so you can take the course no matter what you're sewing on. And unlike other courses where you end with a stack of samples you don't know what to do with, we've created a pattern that you can practice each lesson within a block. So when you're done, you'll have a finished quilt to show off and reference when you're deciding how to quilt your next project. The introduction content and straight line quilting segment will be free to watch, but after that you'll need to purchase the course to see the rest of the video content. If you purchase a ruler kit or a quilt kit from us, we'll send you a coupon code via email to get the entire course for free. Let's start quilting with rulers.